Hello students, now today we are going to study one of the chemical reaction, that is single displacement reaction. In single displacement reaction, one of the substance or one of the chemical displaces other. This happens because there is difference in their reactivity. As today I am going to conduct the reaction related with iron and copper sulfate. So in this case, iron is more reactive than copper. So iron displaces copper, and when copper sulfate is treated with iron, then the substance become iron sulfate and copper is displaced. So how this reaction takes place, that we are going to observe. For this you can see I have taken copper sulfate, then this one is the iron fillings. I have taken a boiling tube and spatula and water for making the solution. So let us start the experiment. First of all, I am going to take copper sulfate. Copper sulfate, it is a salt which is blue, or you can say sky blue in color. Okay students, so now you can see this is copper sulfate. You can easily able to see its color, it is sky blue in color. Now I am going to put little amount of water, making its solution. Just let us shake it so that we can get its solution. When you will shake it, then after some time the copper sulfate, it will dissolve in it and you will get the solution of copper sulfate. So now you can see all the particles are dissolved and you have got the solution of copper sulfate. So what is the color of it? It is a sky blue in color, or you can say blue in color. Now I am going to put little amount of iron in the form of iron fillings. So you can say, see iron fillings. Okay, so students, in normal condition, our boiling tube, this boiling tube, it is now this time it is cool, but after the reaction take place, then it becomes warm. Why does this took place? Actually this took place because this reaction, it is one of the example of exothermic reaction also. I am shaking it so that quickly it can, and in this reaction you will able to see that the color of the solution, it will get changed. It will become light green in color, and the copper, it will deposited at the bottom. Now you can see the color has completely changed. It has become green in color, and you can see at the bottom the copper is displaced and deposited at the bottom. So easily you can see copper is there and the solution it becomes iron sulfate, which is light green in color. So this is the example of which type of reaction? This is the example of displacement reaction.